Hey guys, I am back with another makeup look, this time for My85ive and their Fashion Art Toronto Runway show. And this one is a bit of a pink bombshell. So one of my favorite looks because it's soft but dramatic, and we're gonna have fun playing with pink, which is like what's not to love about that. So to get the look, we're going to start with skin prep. We're going to make our face nice and polished, smooth, so a little bit of a medium full coverage foundation, and we will do contouring, highlighting. You can go ahead and highlight a little bit around the lips if you want, and then a pink eyeshadow with a dramatic black eyeliner, which I'm super excited about, and then pink lipstick. So to get started, we're going to do our skincare first. So before I start my eye makeup, I'm actually going to do my concealer and a very light layer of foundation just to even out my skin tone and start creating a bit of a base. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to do some pigments, pigments. And I will actually have these on set tomorrow to do a very gentle touch up on everybody's face, because we're basically going to use pink on our eyes, our cheeks, and our lips. So I have pinks of various tones, and we will be mixing these up on the spot with disposable applicators and disposable palettes, and creating it for each person's skin tone. So we are going to do it all at home with whatever you have, and if you happen to have a pink blush, for example, like this, and various shades from a pink highlighter to pink blush, a deep rose blush, and you can even play with a couple of warm browns to create depth in the eyes so that we do have something to make it pop. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my pinks so you can see what the look is that we're going for. So that is essentially the shadows and the shape that we're going for, something a little bit elongated. And then we're going to play with a black eyeliner, which I know I pulled out. Okay, I did pull one out. So I'm going to use my Precision eyeliner. It is a black pen, one of those felt tip pens. And I just got concealer all over it with my fingers. But we're basically going to do a pulled out cat eye. Don't angle too high up. We want it to just be a gentle swoop. And we want to connect both the top and the bottom. And then pretty much we're gonna fully line the eyes. I am going to leave a bit of space in the bottom corner, and I'm gonna put a highlighter there instead of black. So ideally, you're gonna follow where your natural lash line is on your bottom lashes, and you're going to do the eyeliner as long as you have natural lashes. Where your natural lashes stop is where the eyeliner stops, and from there you'll do a highlighter. For the upper, you're going to pretty much come right into the corner. Okay, so we'll do that now. And then if you want to go ahead and do your waterline, I would switch to a kohl pencil and go in the waterline, and top and bottom if you really want to make it dramatic. So we want this flip to come out and drag it out slightly lifted, not too high, mainly focusing coming out. So I am not making it thin or subtle because this is going to be on a runway and from a distance, and the video and the elements and all that jazz. So it is a little bit thicker, but the effect is totally cute. Okay, so please do this eye look at home. I will have products on site to possibly touch up, but I will not be able to do a complete look. So you need to do this at home. From here, I would recommend curling your lashes and doing mascara. If you do have false lashes and you want to glue them on, go ahead. It could look really nice. Again, I won't be able to fix lashes on location. I'm gonna have too many people to deal with. So I would highly recommend mascara because it's easy to do. But if you are confident in your lash game, then go ahead and do the lashes. And I'm just gonna do a quick cleanup around, settle this out a little bit with some pink and the lashes. And then I will have this little highlighter on location. It is a loose powder, so hopefully there's not too much wind, but, and I'll have disposable applicators to be able to highlight your inner eyes if you don't happen to have a bright, dramatic highlighter. So do your best and we'll take it from there. And then just to enhance a little bit, I'm just going to pop some extra brightening concealer right here because my late nights are catching up with me and I just want to make sure that it is lifted. So then I'm just going to gently push in a translucent setting powder. This one I'm using is just from Armani, because of course. And I'm going to just, with a powder brush, push it into the skin because I do have a ton of creams on my face right now. So if I start swiping, I might disturb my makeup. So I'm just going to press it in. Then I'm going to come in with my Shape and Sculpt Duo, so a contour and a highlighter. I'm gonna start with my highlight first, and this is just a very natural, light, bit of a peachy, and I'm just going to pop it on the center of my face again. Then I'm going to go through with the dark powder and just kind of carve out my cheekbones again. And I'm really gonna make sure I get the contour into my scalp so that I don't actually have a line there. Then I'm going to come in with another highlighter, and on set I will have some cream highlighters so that I can work with multiple and my disposable sponges and whatnot, and we'll do the same but with creams. But at home, if you have a highlighter, go ahead and touch up with highlighter. And this highlighter, because this one's shimmery, I am just gonna do on the top of my cheekbones. Then maybe just a tip of my nose, because it's cute. And for the lips, we're gonna go in with the same pink. So I'm going in with this kind of pink. It's not too bright, it's a little bit soft. And again, I'll have a variety on set. So to start, I'm gonna do my cheeks. And then before you leave the house, make sure you are setting everything with a makeup setting spray. And voila, this is your look for My85. And I hope you have fun with it. And if you have any questions, shoot me a message or find me on Instagram at BePrettyMUA. And yeah, have fun. It's a super pretty with the dramatic eyes. All right, guys, have fun.